Buying Bitcoin has been a priority of mine for many years, but I'm going to show you why dollar cost averaging is the best strategy. So here we go. Now, in this article, it says this is from Cointelegraph. Survey shows that 67% of Canadians want to get paid in crypto by 2027. Now, that is only 5 years away. And here's the thing. So you don't want to jump in the game after you've lost out on gains. And also, if the gains don't happen right away and we have a severe dip in Bitcoin, you want to be able to jump in and buy that dip. Whether it's a 30% dip, it could be a 50% dip, who knows? But we've seen this before over the last 10 or 12 years, and the people that got scared and didn't buy on those heavy dips missed out on a lot. And what I try to do is I try to buy on those big dips, and then I dollar cost average on the way up. Now, real quick, if you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, that basically means you purchase every week or every month. Now, I purchase on the 1st and the 15th of every month. That's just the way I do it, but that's dollar cost averaging. So I never miss out when it goes up or when it goes down. Now, I'm still dollar cost averaging, even though it's at what some people would say a high point. But the thing is, I'm waiting for the dip, and if it keeps going higher, I don't miss out on those gains. So this is a big article. Another article that came out is from Tech Times saying that Block, which is recently the Square app, Block Cash App's Lightning Network feature allows free Bitcoin transactions. So here we are, things are moving along in Bitcoin, and some people are just watching and waiting and not purchasing because they feel like it's high. Now, I've listened to a lot of technical analysts that say if it drops below $40,000 that we're going into a bear market. But if it goes up to 50 or 52, we are now in a bull market going up to $100,000. None of this stuff makes any difference to me because, like I said, I'm going to dollar cost average either way. And if it dips, it's better for me because then I'm going to pour in the cash that I've held aside. And if it doesn't dip, I'm still going to dollar cost average on the way up. I'm not going to throw a bunch of money in on the way up. I'm only throwing in it on the way down. Now, if we take a look at this other article from the Wall Street Journal, it states Bitcoin sags in 2022 under weight of stock sell-off and Fed policy. Now, as we've seen in the past, Bitcoin tends to follow the stock market. If the stock market dips, so has Bitcoin. And for me, I don't really worry about this. I actually like when I read articles, but there's articles that say the exact opposite, that it's going to 100,000. But either way, like I said, if you dollar cost average, meaning even if you put in $100 a week, $100 a month, whatever it is, you're still purchasing. And it's really about being on the road to at least having one coin and then 2 coins, 5, whatever it is. But you want to get to that first 1 Bitcoin. That's your number one goal. If you're there already, then you want to try to get to 2 or 5 or whatever it may be, unless you have $1 million set aside and you're purchasing. But in that case, you probably wouldn't be watching this video. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you at the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up.